Hi, this is Dr. Lisa from Beyond Grand Coaching LLC. And today I led my second workshop. It was for a group that I meet with, and we just kind of did an exercise that related to instead of Inside Out. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of that movie. Was focused on more outside in and looking at what's on the outside and then bringing it into the inside and what already exists. Really, the outside was about what we want for the future. And it was a really great experience. I realized during that time that I really just want to spend time with smaller groups because I want it to be intimate. I want people to be able to share and be able to communicate the things that they're receiving. And a lot of times with the bigger groups, it doesn't allow for that time to connect with each other. So that was a really great aha for me. And I found that, even though, yes, I'm have the painting practice or the art practice, I don't necessarily do it all the time. And today, do painting again, especially with a group of people, I found that that was very refreshing, especially for very long days. It can be really nice to have that break. And so I feel refreshed and not necessarily tired from having late clients. So, yeah, I really find it beneficial to take that time for myself. And the really cool thing about it was as I'm reflecting on the painting that I did with the group, I'm getting more and more insights as time goes on, um, really seeing what I'm communicating to myself. And so that's the really cool thing about this practice is that it continues to unfold. I even thought, well, maybe I'll do more painting on it when I'm done. And I did just a little bit of adding some yellow, but really I decided that what I've created is what needed to be. And the big part of that painting practice was about that community, about what we created together, not necessarily what I create on my own. So yeah, I really do encourage you to take time for yourself, especially if you're feeling burnt out, especially if you're feeling like, what am I doing? Or where am I going? Or what's my next steps? Because when you take that time to self reflect, you can really find some powerful answers to those questions. And if you ever have anything you want to explore with another person, feel free to reach out. I'm always open. And so I look forward to hearing from you. If you are interested, remember to like and share. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.